Holy shit. You have stop signs, you idiots.
And we want to, the whole town would clap. Clap. I didn't need you guys to clap. I just thought, oh, look, you'll do anything I want. Copy Central Radio, Sirius XM 92. You guys ever been to New York? We have so much in common. This is going to be great.
Day night, brought to you by Lerner and Rowe.
From the CBS 2 newsroom, I'm Erica Sardin with the dctvsubmit update. A violent criminal.
Fucking goddamn stupid!
What's going on, you guys? Thank you for joining me for another video. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button now. Today we're going to take a look at a clip that was sent to me by a fellow rider who was on the Halloween ride as well. he actually captured the point of impact from the crash, the aftermath that I recorded. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take a look at this footage. This is an older GoPro, so it was hard for me to punch in on this, but right here, we're gonna go ahead and zoom in. You're gonna watch the teal car on the left, right there. Boom, hits the rider, she goes down right in front of another one. We're gonna slow this down a little bit, take another look. Boom, impact, she slides right in front and in between two riders right there. That could have been a whole lot worse. Bunch of people pull over to help her out, that's good. I was probably just moments behind there. These guys right here look like they're going in pursuit of the vehicle. I'm not sure exactly what happened with the pursuit. I have no information on that. I'm not sure if they caught all the way up to this driver and the driver was brought to justice on the whole situation, but this is basically what led up to the events of the previous video. So here's the moment in my video where I realized that somebody had crashed, pulled over to check on the rider. She just told us that a car swerved into her. She was complaining of shoulder pain.
Anything else? You should probably sit down.
A bunch of us were already crowding the situation and asking her questions, so I just wanted to be kind of brief. Went over her gear. You can see the shoulder impact right there on her vest, how much material was shaved. I went over her helmet just to make sure she didn't hit her head. Everything looked fine. Eventually, she chose to ride away, and we all just kind of moved on. So that's just a quick follow-up to the previous video, guys. If you enjoyed the content, please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and as always, I will see you in the next video.
And don't forget, if you want your dash cam clip featured on a DCTV episode, you can send it here on DCTV. It's simple and easy. For more details, have a look at the description below. Help everyone learn from your experience. I'm Ann, and this is Nicole. Thanks for watching. Bye.